Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to find your phone with your Galaxy Watch Ultra. So for demonstration purposes, of course, we have our Galaxy Watch Ultra here, and we'll be also for demonstration purposes using our Galaxy S24 Ultra. And so a lot of times I know when I'm rushing, and this happens to me from time to time, I'll set my phone down and forget where I put it. And a big thing is getting in the car to run off, leaving home or leaving wherever I'm at, and the phone slips between the seat, and then I get a mile or two away from where I'm at and think I left the phone at the house or the store, wherever I was at. And so if you're wearing your Galaxy Watch Ultra, the way you can locate your phone easily is to go to the watch, swipe down from the top, like so, and it'll put you in your quick menus. And so in the quick menu, you look for this icon here, which looks like a phone with a magnifying glass to it. And so all you do is tap on that, and if the phone is near you or in your vicinity, the phone will ring. So tap it like so. And as you can see, it says Galaxy Watch is trying to find this phone. And that's a pretty loud noise. You can either stop it here, like so. Now if we start it again, I'm sure you can stop it on the phone also. And so, or you can stop it on the phone. And so this is a real good way to locate your phone when you misplace it. So that's it for our video for today. How to use your Galaxy Watch Ultra to locate your phone. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and to share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.